Hello, my name is Ajit, and in this video I will demonstrate how to backup a Synology data to Azure storage account. Let's start with the configuration. Before we create any backup policy on Synology DSM under Hyper Backup, we need to create a storage account in our Azure portal. Go to your Azure portal, log in with your account, go to storage account, or you can search on the search bar, click add and give the resource group. Storage account name I'm giving Synology test. So location I'll put the default one. Account kind should be a storage v2, that's fine. Networking, use the default options. Tags, review and create. Once the validation is complete, you need to click on create. So it will take some moments to create a storage account under your Azure portal. So deployment in progress. Once the account is created, you can see under the storage account that Synology test storage account is created. Now the account is created. Let's go to the resources. So you can see the Synology test account is storage account is already created. So we need to create a container to backup any data from the Synology box. Under the container, give the name backup, or you can give a LAN backup. Click create. So now your LAN backup container is created. So now in the next step we need to go to access key, and we need this key to create a backup policy in Synology DSM. Now let's go to the Synology backup system. Go to the menu, open Hyper Backup. Under the Hyper Backup, we need to create a new backup policy to copy a data to Azure storage account. Click on plus sign, data backup task. We need to go under cloud services, Microsoft Azure. Next, the service provider is Microsoft Azure. Storage account name is Synology test. Access key name we can copy from here and paste it here. Now it will start authentication with Synology and Azure portal. So once the authentication is completed, it will automatically rectify the container name. You can see the LAN backup container is selected. Click on that, then it will create a directory under the LAN backup container. Click next. So now we need to select which folder we need to backup to Azure account. Under the volume 1, I'm selecting the backup folder. Next, if you want to select any application to be backup, you can select here, otherwise leave it default. Next. So now you need to create a backup settings as per your requirement. When you want to run the backup, on what time you want to run the backup. So you can schedule under the backup settings. So I'm leaving at default. Click next. If you want to enable the rotation settings, you can enable it. I'm using a default one. Apply. Once apply, it will ask for to run the backup. So now it will ask to backup now. Click yes. So it will start the backup in few seconds. So you can see the backup is started. It's processing the data. It will take some time to backup your data to a Azure storage account. So now you can see it's almost 95% is completed. So now you can check your backup is completed. So now to verify if the data is backup to the Synology to the Azure account, we need to go to Azure. Under the storage account, we'll go to overview. Under the overview, we'll go to the containers. We'll click on the container called LAN backup. So you can see now your remote backup HPK file is uploaded to the Azure storage account. So this is the way you can create a backup policy to backup your data to a Azure storage account. So in this video we have demonstrated how to backup to the Azure account, how to create a backup policy on Synology DSM to make sure you are running your daily backup to the Azure storage account. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.